Hey, guess what? I bogged the truck.
This is not good.
No. I will dig. I've said so many times.
No.
We choose this lifestyle.
Don't choose this. Time, it's stressful as shit.
It's so frustrating because it was avoidable. It feels horrible doing something like this. I don't know what's...
What happened, Max?
You told me to stay off the wet.
I told you to stay off the wet. What did we go on here? We're on the wet. That's the dry. So this isn't wet. The dark stuff is wet. That's what 7 ton in black soil looks like. So now we're gonna have to winch off this very minimal amount of trees. There's no way we're getting out of that. We're in 2-wheel drive. I can try and back it up. Take that. Take it. You gotta listen. Right there, because now we're gonna have to. No idea, like, there's not many trees around. This is black mud, so it's only gonna get worse. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to snap something a video. Call Dally, let her know.
So annoyed at myself. I honestly don't even know how I let that happen. I'm freaking annoyed. Shaking, I'm frustrated. I'm an idiot. Hey, guess what? I bogged the truck. Carson was like, don't go to the left, don't go to the left, but I was trying not to go on the, you know, the bumpy part of it.
And you went to the left.
And then I went to the left and we just sunk. So I just wanted to let you know if you're waiting for us, but he's got the winch on right now. We're gonna try and winch ourselves out, but the issue is we're in 2-wheel drive because we broke it on the last track. So I'll let you know how we go, but like, oh, amazing. I'm just so annoyed at myself, you know? Yeah, all right, I'll keep you in the loop. Thanks, bye. All right, Dally said she's got people who can help us if we need to. Carson's currently winching us out. Hopefully that tree is suffice. Bit of entertainment for you guys. Not what we wanted though. We did not want this, especially in 2-wheel drive. Like, far out.
Still makes a classic mistake. Still has a lot left to say and butchers it all anyway. Every stone that we upturn still has a secret she ain't heard. Beneath it, a world yet to be burned. Somehow it burns anyway. I don't wanna waste more time in life. It's just a flash in the pan when I'm doing the best that I can.
want me to dig? Shall we just get on the shovels? Do you want me to get under there? The girls are fine. Zuri's watching YouTube. Yeah?
This is not good.
No.
Like, honestly, this could have been so easily avoided. I don't like bringing it up, but fuck.
I know.
So we got that. Winch extension. We're gonna do a double line pull like what we did in the last episode. So, obviously the bigger you are, the more you sink. So the hard bit about this is black mud. I'm gonna have to dig some I'm gonna have to shovel as well.
How about I get on the shovel now?
No, we've got to get all this set up first. If
I-
I can get that real strong tree over there, we might be in for a fighting chance.
I can start digging now.
So we're using Sabre gear. We got all the Sabre stuff, soft shackles, the whole lot. Hopefully this tree, it's the only kind of semi-big tree in the area that can kind of maybe hold it. Yeah. Got the remote here. Hopefully I got a bit more on this.
Nah, not out. Okay, thank you. Let us know like any other info you need. I'll share my location with you.
Alright. Oh, using all the gear again. Winch rope is sort of bitten itself. It's sort of gone back on itself a bit, so I haven't got the full 30 meters. But luckily I've got all this other gear where I can do an add-on with an add-on with an add-on. So those of you that haven't done full driving, we usually double your line up. So we're pulling from 2 points on the truck. We're magnifying the amount of power that the winch has and puts less strain on it.
Now, if anyone's watching right now and saying, Max, why are you not digging? I have offered so many times to pick up that shovel and dig, but Carsten is on a roll and he just wants to get it done. He wants to get it done fast. I've offered to use my hands. I've offered everything. But he just wants to get in and get it done. So I can appreciate that. Thank God, Zena is asleep right now. Zuri is happily watching her iPad. And we've got someone coming out to hopefully get us out of this very sticky, horrible situation that didn't need to happen, but it did. Please let me dig.
No, no. We'll get out, but it's just going to take a fucking lot of work. Like, this is not... It's definitely a downside of having big trucks. You see the guys at the MPS as Unimogs, when you go down, you go down. But it does, see, it looks innocent. To look at it, it looks pretty okay, but it goes to show there, underneath what looks like a relatively dry top is incredibly wet underneath.
Incredibly, especially with all that weight.
Well, 7 ton pushes through the crust, right?
Yeah, and this is the worst time for us to have this happen. We're already broken. We're already 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, well, I've put it into...
I just feel so bad.
I've put it into 4-wheel drive because it still drives in 4-wheel drive, but I'm just trying not to damage it more. Like the last time we did the whole of Fraser Island with a broken uni joint. We've got a broken uni joint. I'm fine to get out of this. If I've got to, I'll put front and rear lockers on, low range and just go. And we've got parts going to Weipa. We've got new bearings, new everything. So we can potentially just, we just don't want to break the other side. You know, that's the thing. Like, it's all well and good. This side here's broken, but what if now the other side's loaded up and then we break that one? So
let's not even talk about that.
But, you know, it could happen. And if it happens,
This stuff happens with the stuff we do. But it shouldn't happen on a track like this. I know, it shouldn't happen on a track like this. I know. Just frustrated. Really frustrated.
You know the best bit is?
What?
We're only like 10 minutes into town. It's not like we're hours in the middle of nowhere and this has happened and there's no trees and we've got like nothing. Like, look, everything's, girls are happy, it's fine. If anything, the solar panels are facing the sun better.
I love that you're trying to make me feel better and seeing the positive now. Positives. There isn't really any positives, but
we're getting great solar right now because of the angle.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know, the batteries are pumping.
They're good until the girls aren't good.
Yeah, well, they can go for a walk and play in this mud. Just trying to free up a bit of space in front of these tyres and get a max tracks. Not that I think that'll work much, but we actually need someone else, and I reckon they're going to end up snatch strapping. We'll put a big snatch strap on, he'll just get a massive run up, and hopefully it'll just yank us forward. Even if it pulls us a little bit by little bit, we can then assess every pull.
Yeah, and you're just helping the situation by
He might even have extra straps, and we might be able to get it to trees that are further away, but at this point, I've used every single strap in our arsenal, and I can't reach the tree I want to reach. My face is like hurting a bit after that sting, but
I just feel sick.
I'm getting exercise. We've got two there, we've got to get traction under the...
Last thing we want is a wasp going in the car with the girls, and now you've disrupted a nest of them. So we've just had a message, help is 10 minutes away. It'd be a miracle if this actually worked. It's worth a shot, eh?
Worth a shot.
Shit. Shit.
We're gonna have to, there's no... There's a bigger tree out there, I might be able to...
Can you please put shoes on? Please put shoes on if you're going out there. It was me. So annoyed at myself.
Bloody hell, mate.
Oh, you're back.
She was driving. She was driving. I'm droning. Yeah. And I'm like, just stay
You
off
went the
road.
real wrong way.
Do you know what? I've driven on roads like this before that many times, but my head was like, this is so bumpy and rocky, and I just did a little bit of a turn, and then it went...
This is put all on drone, because she's just gone, yeah. And then she's had a moment.
I'm very, yeah, I'm so annoyed at myself.
That's the closest we got right there, but yeah, I've pulled down 2 trees.
Nothing works.
Please tell me you've done something like this before.
I'll call you one.
This is a first for me. See, I'm not the only one.
No, for sure.
Really? Not worth doing?
Daly said that yours has a bit of grunt, and I said to Carsten, do you reckon we're going to be able to get out with it? And he's like, oh, no, we're pretty heavy.
Front wheel up.
Yeah, I reckon.
Now we've got the front wheel up, we're not pushing against the wall.
Yeah.
It's going to lift up rather than pushing the mud.
So close.
Holy Jesus! That's insane. I'm going to give you a look at what we're in. That's look at this. And then we've got that. Right there. Look at that. We were pretty much up to my hips. You can see there. She's a big old hole. So she's just gradually come in, whooshka, whooshka, whooshka. No good. It is a big trench, isn't it, mate? Is your dad the hero?
Yeah. And
There
he said
he is.
easier than he expected.
Over there, I was putting a strap around a tree and I got absolutely smashed by wasps.
There was a wasp nest.
My whole face went ping, 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 and I'm like, oh, here, now I die. Now I'm dead.
Oh, here's Simon.
Oh, some more Land Cruisers coming out to save the day. So,
Hogs, dogs and quads.
hogs, dogs, quads. You can do footy shorts too, don't you?
Yeah, we do, yeah.
What is it? What are they?
Oh, Aussie footy shorts.
Aussie footy shorts. I'm going to get some now. I'm going to have to buy some. Do you like that?
I was trying to, Kat goes, they're bogged, and I was finishing, I'm like, I'll go out and help. And she goes, yeah, if you can. But I was trying to think where you would have got bogged. I was like, where could, it was dry.
It was dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're right there.
Apparently I got the wettest spot, apparently.
Yeah. Wow. So you're doing YouTube before YouTube was even like now, eh? And then
Yeah.
what? Then they booted you.
Yeah.
They booted him for hunting.
Yeah.
Really?
Hunting the animals that are fucking everything out here.
250,000 followers, whatever it is, subscribers.
But you're still on Insta and
Yeah, still on
Facebook?
Instagram and that, yeah.
Yeah, cool. There you
Awesome
go,
guys. So if you're into hunting, quads and hogs and dogs and footy shorts and stuff,
we'll tag it on
should be
there.
down the bottom.
That's a nice
Usually Carsten will be like, stop, but I think because we had the drone up as well.
It was too late by the time.
Yeah.
trench. Yeah.
And we just slid. And then it went,
There was no turning.
And there's not much to winch off.
no.
Yeah, great trench.
Great trench that one, guys.
Well, I asked Daly whether we should fill it in and she said not because of the,
Yeah, I
The
soon they'll have
grading?
a grader come through,
Yeah.
like
Well,
ending in it.
now people know not to
It's
go
a
there.
warning too.
Yeah.
see,
Don't
yeah.
go in that bit.
I've warned everyone.
Yeah.
Small positives of getting bogged in your house. Shower before you hop back in. At this carnage. So Max, I don't know about you, but I think it's a very good time to wrap this bloody episode up because I'm
agree.
exhausted.
I am done, but I'm sure you guys had a lot of entertainment from that.
Entertainment that could have been avoided, but we're not going there. Thanks guys for watching and see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, cowbunga. Woo!
Every dog gets its day. He still makes a classic mistake. Still has a lot